Most Americans are shocked at the instantaneous loss of liberty that the Polish citizens have recently suffered. But will we learn anything from the Polish experience with government tyranny? Probably not. I find it ironic that my fellow citizens are appalled at the recent events in Poland, but at the same time continue to encourage the growth of government power in this country. As Poles fight for economic freedom, American liberals support government control, regulation, and even the nationalization of the means of production in this country. As the Poles fight for their personal freedoms, American conservatives continue to promote the government's violation of our basic civil liberties. It is unfortunate that the Poles can never win their fight against government tyranny. Recently, Polish workers confronted their government's troops, and the results were 200 workers killed and many more wounded. But what can one expect when their weapons were stones, chains, axes, and crowbars? You see, in Poland, it's against the law for citizens to own guns. I just hope that we in this country don't take the gun control advocates too seriously. The results could be devastating. And contrary to contemporary arguments, our founding fathers didn't write the Second Amendment because they were avid duck hunters or target shooters. They realized that without a means of individual self-defense, none of our freedoms would be safe from those in power. The real system of checks and balances in this country is the right to keep and bear arms. I wonder what the headlines would have read these past few weeks had the Poles not turned over all their guns to their government leaders. Now, I don't believe that our government should get involved in the Polish crisis. However, we as individuals should help in any way we can. Some are sending their prayers and some are sending food. But if you really want to help the Poles to achieve freedom, then send them a gun. On second thought, you'd better not. Your government has made that illegal. This is John Zdanowicz for 530.